Till now, around OTC, we have seen different functionalities in basic functions by using condition technique. Apart from that, we have seen other functionalities also, but we have seen OTC, order, delivery, and billing. So in this order and delivery and billing, like it varies company to company, the process. Initially, I told you, like there is one process called order to cash. Order to cash, everything is order to cash. From order delivery, you are paying the cash and you are taking the bill and paying back to the company or outlet or whatever you take. So in this see simply one term is called OTC. In real time, they will call it as a OTC, order to cash. There is no difference. There is one more is called QTC, quotation to cash. So quotation to cash means directly quotation, delivery and billing won't be there. Quotation, order, delivery, billing will be there. But certain cases, in any specific scenarios, with quotation only, they will try to do the bill or delivery or billing. That is very different. When it comes to old scenarios, most of the times you have order to cash, OTC, and you have something called QTC, quotation to cash. Apart from that, we have different business processes are there. Okay. In order to cash, we will see first process like credit sales. Okay. So QTC also like your quotation to cash also like credit sales only. Extra quotation is coming. So let's try to concentrate. Credit sales means order. You have delivery. You have PGA, and you have billing. This is the process. Suppose if a customer orders certain quantity, you will do the delivery and you will do the PGA. You do the billing. So this is quantity specific. As I said that our TAN item category is for standard materials, it is handling. So if it is not standard material, what and all we have, that we are going to see. So let's see first one, our regular one. Okay. This is quite simple. Past few days, we are seeing the same thing only. Let's go to VA01. Okay. The session got expired. So now we do order, delivery and billing. This is the regular process. So what is the difference between your cash sales and credit sales? I will explain you. Let's try to understand this. So this is like your regular process only. So let's press enter. Let's take this material. Let's take some 10 quantity. Okay. 10 quantity got confirmed. Okay. Let's go to the inventory. What is the stock for this material? So let me go back here. Okay. So here 10 pieces we have taken. So if you see the item category is 10. This is what we have learned past few days. When it comes to schedule lines, it is confirmed for 13th. Your schedule line category is CP. Okay. So let's try to do the delivery. Okay. Schedule line, it is delivery up to, it is 11th. Actually, we have seen it is 13th. Okay. So now delivery quantity is not available. Why? Because we cannot able to find the stock in this. Okay. If stock is not there, last time I explained without RLT. So let's check. If any stock is there, it will be 0. So that's why your delivery quantity is not copied. Even delivery date is confirmed also after calculating various lead times. Okay, see here it is there. Let's post the stock for this. Come to MB1C. 565 is one is the moment I for posting the stock. Let's go to 200 quantity. Let's save this. So now you posted stock. Now let's come to the delivery now. Press enter. See, the 10 quantity automatically came. So now you let's try to pick the quantity. So it is fully picked while doing the post goods issue. And now let's try to, before going to do that, VL, this already told to you, VL0 to N. Okay, let's go to the doc flow and try to open this document. See here you can see accounting document will be generated. This is one entry question. If you click this, you can able to see the accounting document. So what it happens, inventory account will be credited, cost of goods sold will be debited. So if you see what is the debit and credit, this is called posting key actually. With this you can able to come to know. Okay, so this is for cost. And there is something they have given 99 stock outward movement. That means when you send the stock, this is the process. Okay, now let's create the bill. Okay, done this. So now let's see the accounting entries for this. So if you click this, some certain what I would say, certain entries they will ask accounting entries also for fun. Okay, if you see for customer 01 is the posting key and 50 is your revenue account will be credited and your customer account will be debited. Okay, these are the two accounting entries. Okay, let's try to go back to the our Excel sheet. Till here comfortable. Why we will call it as a credit sales? Suppose what it talks about, we have one concept called payment terms. Okay, let's go VA02. Let's click this. So let's try to click this. You can see payment terms 001. It is got assigned. If you come here billing document level, you can able to see this payment terms automatically copied from your customer master. See payment terms what it talks about. 001 means you have to pay immediately, or else you can tell that within 14 days, if we pay 3% cash discount is giving. Within 30 days, if we pay 2% cash discount will be given. Within 45 days, no cash discount, but he has to pay at any cost 45 days. Otherwise, some legal notice or something will be there. If you see, like you can able to define the payment terms, like 14 days or 30 days, within 60 days, 50 days, like that. Someone might have created their own payment terms, like first installment or something like that. You can able to define. Payment terms is the one concept that we are going to see later. Okay, so based on payment terms, like if I say this, credit sales means generally you shouldn't say immediately you should have to pay. Maybe you have to choose this payment term within 14 days or 30 days. Okay, you have to give. This is all about depends on your payment terms and your item category, which is going to decide which business process you are going to run. Okay, so now you have seen this credit sales. What is the item category? You have used the 10. So now let's go to the quotation to cash. How it differs. So maybe some inquiry is pre-sales document and your quotation is also pre-sales document. Let's try to create a quotation. Okay, so let's try to take QT. Okay, the same process. This we have already seen previously at the time of sales document structure. QTC process. Okay, I'm just giving. So validity starts. What is the validity like for your quotation? What could be the chances? If you come here quotation, if you come to the this one, I'll keep this till Sunday. You have the chances. So let's take the material. Let's take another 5 quantity. Okay. So now if you see this, let's come to the Let's try to save this. Okay, you have created a quotation. Now let's try to create with reference to quotation. This we have already seen. So VA01. So with reference means you can click here. What is the quotation? You can copy the same quotation. So it will be copied 5 quantity. Let's try to do the delivery now. So now it will do the stock is there. That's why it's not going to that screen to confirm or what. So let's do the post goods issue. Let's click the VF01. See, when you configure everything without errors, it should come like this because we have done previous settings. That's why it is coming like this. Okay. Now again, accounting entries for quotation to cash also same only. Additional pre-sales document it is got attached. Otherwise, there is no difference. Okay. So customer account will be debited. So revenue account will be credited. Same story. Okay. Now let's come and try to check what is that quotation to cash. Okay, same item category 10. So let's come here. Let me show you one more time the document types which we have used also. That is also important. PO P8. So ZOR1 we copied from OR. Here you can see the delivery type G1, billing type delivery type this one, delivery related billing, order related same billing. This is delivery we have created. General standard what you have. If you go back to this one, standard your OTC like OR, LF and F2. Here also the standard document will be QT quotation and it's OR, it's LF, it is F2. So now you have seen two processes which are very simple. This we have already seen. Now we are going to see the different business process that is called your returns. Okay, sales returns. Sales returns we can able to do in 3 ways. So let's come here. So what is the document type for returns? RE. So document category will be H. This is the one difference. If you come here, so delivery document type will be LR and the delivery related billing will be RE and order related billing will be RE. The same thing. Okay, in standard. So now let's try to see if always your company says that it is your returns will be with reference to your sales order or billing, then you have to configure accordingly. Okay, so if I say sales order, generally it will be there 99% of the companies with reference to billing only, billing document. Okay, so if you wanted to make it by default you can make it, or else manually also you can able to do it. Okay, now let's try to maybe let's try to do this thing. VA01. Okay, so now what is that? Return means directly if you enter you can able to create manually. So this is if you get this error, I already told to you, you have to maintain this one also. Let's come here. Okay, let's try to go to new entries, press enter. 2727. So again 27. Let's do for the sales area. We are telling this document I would like to use it. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so now let's come here. What you have done, if you press enter last order, if you see the document flow, you created this quotation and this one it is with 5 pieces. This is how you have to observe. Okay, 5 pieces. So you have done the delivery and billing. Assume that in these 5 pieces, 2 pieces got damaged. So you'd like to return to your company. Okay. Some companies, they will pay the money back and they will ask them to keep it with you and scrap it. Some companies, they say you return the product so that they will re-repair. Best example, if medicine is there, it's not working, they will recall the product because it is dangerous. It will be with human beings, so definitely they will call the returns medicines. The similar way, long ago, like Nokia mobiles battery got blasted, certain batch. So company is recalling those products, batteries actually, from dealers and distributors. Otherwise, it will be like a big case. So if you go for example, someone bought it some bread actually. Okay, he got 5 packets of the bread. 2 packets got spoiled. Bakery person told that you throw it, I will pay you the money back. Such cases, returns not required. Like that, certain products returns required, certain products not returns not required. Certain products, if you buy like Amazon and Flipkart, these kind of sites, like they will allow first 10 days or 15 days warranty. After that, you have to check with company. Like that, different companies will have different scenarios. So this is returns. Now if you go to VA02, like if I go to the doc flow, I'm just trying to create with reference to bill. Okay, let's copy this bill. So now go to VA01. I would like to return, create with reference to bill I'm showing now. Now go to the billing document. It is very simple. Just copy. Okay. So see, GGG1 to RE is not supported. So there is one concept called copy control. I will show you this one as of now, and after that I will show you that concept also. Slash n p. Let me show you the path. SPRO reference IMG. Go to the sales and distribution. See, maintain copy controls for sales documents, because order is one sales document and your billing is one sales document. So sales document to sales document, order to order, or else quotation to quotation, or inquiry to quotation. If you're copying, you're using this one. Billing to sales document. Our billing document is some document we have created, and sales document triple G1 we have created. I think F2 copy. Now in this case, if you click this one, so let's come here. So in standard, what is that? OR. Billing is RE. If we click, okay. So where is that? Sales document is RE and it is F2. See, F2 to RE. Source means from where you would like to copy. Target means from where I would like to, with reference to billing, I would like to create returns, means this is my source. Source means the from where I would like to copy. So if you are taking Xerox from here to here, you can understand normal language. So then this is the your source paper, main paper. This is Xerox you would like to do. You can understand simply. So F2, from F2 to RE you would like to copy. So you click on this change. Okay. Now go to again F2 to RE. Okay. Now select this one. Just click on copy. So what is our billing document? GG1 we have created. For GG1 to standard I'm doing. I haven't copied RE, right? Let's press enter. Sorry, GG1. Okay. Let's press enter. So it is asking copy all. Number of dependent entries, copy, press enter. Okay. Once you copied, okay, this is what we have to do it. After that, now let's go to the returns. Now it's simply asking, what is my billing document? This is a billing document we have created. Copy this one. Does not exist. 1 second. Sorry, I copied to order. It's a billing document, right? Let's come here and copy. Now 5 quantities copied. When 5 quantities copied, if you come here, if you click here, it is asking, Bus, why you would like to return this one. This is reason is coming warning if you'd like to make it to error message also certain projects. So it is asking. Let's select that. So like you can able to see poor quality. I can choose this reason. If I press enter, poor quality. Okay, order reason. Now what is the quantity? So the quantity 5 quantity is how much? 10,000. Let's make it 2 quantity. That means 2 quantity I am returning. 4,000 worth quantity I am returning. If you double click and you can able to see the conditions here. Okay, 2,000 is piece. So 2 quantity means 4,000 I am returning. Even including tax also 4,040 rupees I am returning to the company. So worth of the stock I am returning. On return, company may send 2 pieces back or else he will give you money back. So now let's try to do the delivery now. Okay, 2 pieces. If you see returns, your picking quantity is 0 at the delivery time. I told you. Okay, when you are returning, when you pick, if the stock is available in your inventory, you are picking. When you are doing return means stock is coming from outside to inside the company. You are not returning anything. Now let me show you something here. Previously we have created this order, right, for this plant. Let's click this. 2 orders created, one time 10 pieces, one time 5 pieces. Out of 5 pieces, so 2 pieces returning means now the stock is 185. If I done post goods receipt means I'm inviting inside. Post goods issue means I'm sending outside. Okay, so this is the stock. See, you see previously all scenarios for delivery post goods issues. Receipt means I'm receiving the goods. While receiving, I need not pick. My picking quantity will be 0. Okay, so let's do the receipt. Once you do the receipt, let's go and try to refresh your inventory. 2 pieces should be added. $185. 1 second. Let me go back. Where is the stock? 1 second. So quotation we have created 5 pieces. Okay, let's try to do the bill. When you do the bill, it is showing incorrect. When you get incorrect, come here, check the log. What is the issue? So the document is blocked for billing. Like certain projects, what they will do, like they will put the billing block. Once the goods only returned, once the delivery department confirmed we received the goods only, they will pay back to the customer. Okay, let's go to the VA02. Okay, let's come here. By default, you will have this block. Okay, credit memo. I told you, right? It's not billing. Credit memo means you are paying back to the customer. Okay, let's save this. Now, if you click VF01, if I execute it, how much amount you would like to pay it back to? 4,000. Who is the customer? He is the customer. Let's save this. Okay. Some error is coming. Let's try to check what exactly it is. So account determination error comes environment. It is very important in projects actually. So you have to do the analysis. Why it is doing like this? Okay, no GL account determination, because for credit memo our procedure is different. If you go to VF02, okay, let's go to the document flow. If you select this invoice, what is the this is our invoice, right? For this invoice, if you see this, the same thing, revenue accounts, our procedure is a DOFI 100. For credit memo, we said something like, you know, KOFI we have done, that is standard account determination. So that's why it is saying error. So now let's go to either you can go to VOFA or else you can go to the configuration. VOFA means your documents. Let's go to the RE. So for RE, so KOFA is there, right? Let me try to DO. As of now, I'm assigning. Actually, we shouldn't change the standard settings because other people also doing the practice. Let me reset it back later. Let's go to VF02. Now let's try to release this. Okay. The document is already okay. Not this one. VL02. VL02 and our returns. Let's see this. So our returns is what? Goods returns. Okay. Now we are going to create our billing document. Sorry, return. Okay. What is the log? It is saying already fully invoiced. 1 second. So this is your sales document, delivery, returns. See, credit of returns, account document error came, right? Let's select this. See, this is the error coming, right? In real time also you'll get sometimes errors if you are working any billing related thing. It won't come, they're not this much simple and all. Sometimes you'll get these kind of things also. Now let's try to release it. See, now it is saved. Now if you go to environment, account determination analysis, revenue accounts, see, I have changed the procedure because we have account determination for this. Now this GL account is determined. Now let's try to check accounting document entries. Previously, what should I told? So system is a bit stuck. Okay. Customer account. Let me share the screen again. Let me click the, 1 second, let me share the screen first. So now I'm clicking the accounting document, which we have created. So here, if you see for two pieces, I'm returning including what I call my revenue plus tax for 2 pieces to the customer. So customer account will be credited on returns and revenue account will be debited. You have to, sometimes some people will ask, some interviewers will ask what are all these posting keys. That also, if you remember, that is good. Or else you can tell the entries when customer account will be credited on returns, because he is receiving the money whatever he paid for the bill. 5 pieces he paid, 2 pieces money he got returned. Okay, this is all about your returns. So what is the technical settings? View 8. If you come to the returns, if I click here, so returns by default in standard. Okay, so H will be the document category and LR will be the your returns delivery and delivery related billing, or sometimes you can able to do order related billing. So this you can able to map with your copy controls. By default you will have this block. And let's come to Vivo V7 item category difference. You should have to find it. So REN, let's compare with the TAN actually. Okay, so for returns, see, it is B. B means what? Till now order related means a delivery related quantity. It is order related status according to the order quantity. Status according to order quantity means like order related billing status according to the order quantity. So you can able to change it, like 5 quantity we have changed it to 2, right? Should status according to target quantity. This is for contract. Okay, so this is the only difference. Credit, see, if the stock is coming from outside to inside, there is no credit active. There is not required to credit management. Okay, these are the two differences when you compared with your TAN versus this one. For TAN, credit active, it is delivery related billing. Okay, these are the two differences. Let's come to Vivo V6. So I would like to show you VA03. Okay, let me try to share my screen. I'm just searching my billing document. This is the last bill we have created. See, quotation, see, return. So this is the document flow. So if you come here, let me show you. So our return order, if you click here, see this item category is REN, as I said that. So let's go to the schedule lines. See, DN. DN is the schedule line category. Okay, for returns. So if you try to compare with your CP, this is how you have to analyze the subject actually. See, you don't have requirement assembly. On returns, you are receiving the goods. If you look at that, moment type is 651. This is the difference actually. Okay. So returns you can able to create without reference also directly. Suppose if you come here RE, let's take this. So you without taking order or any reference also you can able to create it. This is called without reference. Okay, this process also will be there. I'm removing the block. So let's try to take the quantity. This is called manual returns actually. Okay, it is asking order reason. Let's try to pick some sales call. They don't want to give the stock to the customer. So now let's try to do the delivery now. Okay, you got two pieces. So let's try to do this one. So let's do the receipt. Okay. So you got return delivery created. Let's come here. See if I click this RE credit memo of returns. Previously it is GGG1 your document. Okay. So I'm paying back to my customer. Like that you can able to do it. This is called VF02 accounting entries, similar accounting entries. Customer account will be credited, revenue account will be debited. So now you have seen the third process. So in this we find like RN is the item category and what do you call, come here RE, it need to be created either with reference to your F2 or manual. You can able to do all these three basic process. If any special process also we can configure, that is different. So here LR, here RE is the billing document. Okay, this is how you have to remember. So you have three business processes: credit sales, quotation to cash, sales return. Now let's try to see next business process. See what is the basic difference, I will tell you. If you see this in returns, order related billing, it is created. See the doc flow. Okay, so return delivery, I would like to show you the document. I've forgotten to tell you. So let's come to the header. So administration, here you can able to find document. Previously it was LF or GG1 we have created. So document category is T. This is the difference actually. Now let's go to MMBE. Stock, it is not adding to inventory. 1 second. Give me a moment.